How to fix Fetch for macOS not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall Fetch for macOS, #bin/bash. #stop the Fetch application osascript #app fetch #remove the Fetch application and its associated file sudo rmrf/application/fetch.app rmrf/library/application/fetch/rmrf/library/caches/com.fetchsoftworks.Fetch.plist rmrf/library/save \application/state/com.fetchsoftworks.Fetch.savedState/ Echo Fetch has been uninstalled from your Mac. To use this script, simply copy and paste it into a text editor and save it with a .sh file extension, e.g. uninstall_fetch.sh. Then open Terminal on your Mac and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. Finally, run the script by typing /uninstall_fetch.sh without the quotes, and pressing enter. This will execute the script and uninstall Fetch from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.